welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Dhwani Bajaj, and this is the episode number 5 of the Tag Show with DB, and I have a makeup artist this time as my guest, so welcome her. Hi Mehreen, please come inside.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Amazing. Hi everyone, I'm Mehreen Mansoori and I'm a makeup artist by profession, and that is it.
Yeah. So I'm going to be asking you a couple of questions, and I have few fun segments for you. Also, I've curated something specially
Right.
for this Sunday, and we all know what's this Sunday. So, shh. Do you know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know what's this Sunday?
Oh, Valentine's Day.
So I've not, as always, I have not memorized the question. So please forgive
And
me.
I have no idea what is going to happen. Yeah.
So please forgive me for reading it out from my phone. So I'm extremely sorry. So Mehreen, tell us about your profession. And so you already did that. So sorry. So what inspired you to pursue makeup as a profession?
Honestly, I was never into studies, and never. I knew I was never going to study after 12th. And when I was a kid, I used to love doing makeup. And so, after finishing my 12th, I went to Mumbai and I started my career. I didn't know I'll go that far, but now I've become pretty serious and pretty professional, yeah.
So I just got to know, like, by what you shared, that you directly dived into it after 12th.
Yeah, directly after 12th. I was very much sure I don't want to go into any college because I'm going to waste my years. So, yeah.
So how difficult was it, to convince your parents, like, to pursue something out of 12th? Like, I can't even imagine telling my parents that I don't want to do a degree program. I want to dive into something, practical.
Yeah, nice question. Actually, it was not difficult for my parents from my parents' side, because they believed in me and still they do. But yeah, people, friends, everybody were like, really dude, you're not going to study? What is happening? How can you even think about not studying, not doing college, not going to college? I was like, I made up my mind. I was very much sure that
So what is your vision, What is your plan for the next 5 years or maybe 3 years? Where do you look yourself, at?
See, honestly, I have not figured that out yet. But of course, I want to open my own makeup academy because I love teaching and I would love to be a faculty myself in my own academy. And also, if it happens, I want to go into Bollywood as a makeup artist. So I'm, into it.
Please, if you become a makeup artist, give me a break. Just pitch me to people. Please tell them I have talent.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll get Priyank also with us, and we can be a team together.
Yeah, that would be great.
So we can take like a quick 2 minutes break and try to, enjoy the salad that we ordered. And how did you like
It's
it?
too yum. I love it. Very nice.
So finally, my mom can relax because past couple of videos she used to make something for us.
It is too good, yeah. Why haven't I been here before?
So now this segment is about busting Valentine myths. Now this seems very exciting for some of you, and of course me and my friends keep on discussing certain things that keeps on happening in the entire Valentine week. So I think, as I've heard from your friend, it would be a very good opportunity to get your views to it. So I'm going to start asking you, what's your view on the pressure girls put on guys for the special Valentine gift, or a date night or something like that?
I think it's very silly. I mean, I'm sorry, but it's very silly.
Who likes the idea of teddy and all like that?
I swear.
I don't understand. Until you're getting me diamonds, it's alright.
Exactly, I would never let my boyfriend, if I would have one, I'm very much single and happy. But if I would have a boyfriend, I would never let him spend money on teddy bears and balloons and decorations. I mean, all that does not attract me, I'm sorry.
All that jazz. So the next thing is related to the question I asked you before. I mean, what's this thing of celebrating it for the entire week? Chocolate day, teddy day, kiss day, hug day. I'm just like, why? I mean, why is it so elaborate? Like, I love the idea of celebrating. I'm not saying no to that.
Exactly, that is the point,
But-
that it is okay, you know, celebration should happen more often. It is cute, but again, on the other hand, you know, it is silly also. Hug day, you know, मतलब promise day, promise me something, chocolate day, and people actually have seen girls and guys posting chocolates ka pictures and putting, you know, happy chocolate day, thank you my love.
I did not get anything. I mean, like, I am now upset. How can other people get it? I'm not getting anything.
See, expectations. I'm not even expecting. So I'm so happy she's disappointed. Never expect. You know, never expect.
But I love the idea of getting pampered. Like, I love it.
Everybody
But,
does, yeah. Mostly
So,
everybody does.
I mean, guys, you can ask for my address and send me PR packages for Valentine's.
You mentioned both of our address.
that. Yes, we can do it this Valentine. Or we'll have a Galentine instead. You know, I don't think so have plans for the
And
Valentine.
also, I'm single and I'm not kidding.
Guys, hit her up. I mean, guys, hit her up. If you're into girls, I have no issues. I can
Guys.
see our videographer is already hitting on her. Just kidding.
God.
So now this one involves little bit of fashion, little bit of makeup. So what's your opinion on how girls put pressure on themselves of wearing red, you know, for the entire week? Like, even for me, I'm a big believer of, you know, having few concepts in your mind, and as Valentine has red predominantly in the color, what's your opinion? Like, the girl feels so pressurized, अरे मुझे red dress पहनना, अरे मुझे red lipstick लगाना पड़ेगा, you know, all of that. What's your opinion? Like, should they have it or should they don't have it?
It's okay if they have it. It's like, see, you know, everybody, even me, if there's something, a special day or special occasion which I am attracted to, for example, like I love Eid, you know, so I love dressing up. I'm always like that, okay, what will I wear, मैं क्या लूँ, कहाँ से लूँ, I, you know, pre-plan everything. So there are people who fantasize, well, Valentine's fascinates them, so
Yeah.
it is okay, I believe.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the pressure. Like, should they have that pressure कि the
No,
red
of course
dress
not.
नहीं
That
हुई
is
तो क्या?
again very no nippy. They should not have.
New word nibbi nibbana. I am just like ruffled like right now.
And I'm loving it. Oh God. But no, I don't think they should pressurize themselves. I mean, it's not good.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, myself, I'm wearing red pants for you guys. I had a lot of pressure on me. Guys, I'm an
Colourful me.
influencer. Yeah, I mean, I love the way she's dressed. So casual and so, you know, up for anything. But for me, trust me, when I was getting ready for the video, I was like, guys, I'm an influencer. Why don't I have like a red dress on me? I was so pressurized, and then I made myself like aware of the situation. No, it's all right. I don't need to buy something, especially for Valentine's Day. If you have extra money and if you want to buy, I'm okay. Go ahead and, you know, go, you know, shit crazy about it. But if you do not want to spend and if you are okay going out, please wear what you feel comfortable, you know, beautiful in. Right?
And honestly, from my side, I knew that this is a Valentine discussion,
Yes.
quiz, whatever.
Yes.
But that thought didn't even occur. Red and white, you know. I wore whatever I wanted to. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I did try on like 2-3 things, and then I was like, you know what, I want to be comfortable because I'm getting somebody here. I need to be, you know, pleasing, and I need to sit and, you know, make her feel comfortable. If I am only not comfortable, how will I make it, right?
Right.
So I guess that was it with all the questions that I had. And would you like to ask me anything or the viewers anything? I would be happy to answer them.
So I'm very much curious about you now. Done for me. I mean, apart from blogging and making videos and, you know, what else do you do?
Okay, like
Because I've seen you doing everything. Dancing, working out, making videos, you know, I mean, makeup, fashion. I've seen you doing everything. I was so confused. I asked my friend, what exactly is her profession? Because I am very confused, guys.
So for me, I'll tell you my entire journey. So I guess this is the first time even my viewers would be listening about it from my end. So I guess this is a little special video for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you through the entire path.
Right.
So I went to Bombay and I love dancing anyways, right? So I enrolled myself in an academy and gradually I started training and then assisting. So that passion of dancing was something that made me attract to the social media. So I started making normal videos. You know how in a class you're dancing and somebody's shooting, I would just post that. I would never take extra efforts for it. And then gradually my follower base increased and my likes started increasing.
Right.
So I was like, okay, this is working out for me, why not, now start doing it a little more finished or polished way. So I started that way. And then gradually, my entire reason of going to Bombay was for fashion, doing fashion communication and styling course. So I was like, okay, enough of dancing. Like now it has to be about fashion, like that's what I'm paying my money for,
Right.
to learn everything. So then I started, doing some fashion shoots and putting it up. Then I was like, Arey, I can do makeup also. It was like a revelation. I did not
She's
learn it.
exploring everything.
Yeah.
She wants to explore everything.
That is me in like a short snippet of what she just said.
Yeah.
So मेकअप ऐसे चालू हुआ, फिर अच्छा खासा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा था तो चलते गए, अरे देख लेंगे. Then suddenly I love marketing. I am from a science background, for me it was so, it was like a breakthrough in my life कि science background में से fashion से marketing. Like for me it was like what happened, like
Right.
what is my journey about? So that's when I, found the love of marketing. So now I handle social media pages for a lot many brands. I have my whole team, we work together, we conceptualize, we strategize, we handle, we manage the entire thing, and then I work on other freelancers basis. That can be makeup, that can be styling, and blogging is a passion for me. So this is my journey.
That's pretty nice. But I never thought so much, I was like, when I started my makeup ka thing and everybody used to ask me, what are you going to get from it? What are you doing? You
Yeah.
should study. And I was like, dude, technology is going to take over everything. Makeup, creativity, skills are what is going
Exactly.
to, help you out. You can never, a computer or technology will never do the makeup or, any creative thing.
It might be able to, because when I researched,
Yeah.
they might not develop a, what do you say?
My mind has, that means my mind still cannot think so far, but जितना मैं जीऊंगी I know उतना नहीं होगा कि कंप्यूटर मेकअप करेगा,
नहीं,
रोबोट
नहीं,
मेकअप करेगा.
I don't think so. Robots are gonna do the makeup, but I'm sure AI feature will help you enhance your beauty. And I don't think so. But your point of human skill is a very valid point, because I completely endorse it. I'm pro about technology advancement, but not at the cost of human skill. That is something that I believe in.
Yes.
So I think we are ending. No, we are not ending it. We have to do a quick eye. Yeah.
What is
so,
that?
So Marine, are you up for doing little eye makeup for me so that the viewers can
Valentine eye makeup.
Yeah.
Red wala.
Not red, please. I look Joker.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Let's
So
do
I'm
this.
gonna sit here and she's gonna come in and I'm gonna enjoy my salad. So Mehreen is ready with a magic wand. Like, let's see what she curates. So I'm going to shut my eyes and
Yes,
you can
please.
tell them what you're using.
So I can see you've almost applied your base.
Yes.
So I'm starting with the eye primer.
Yeah.
I'll take a little bit of eye primer. She has also applied eyelashes. Yeah.
Guys, I will
Before
do-
eyeshadow, eyelashes. This is the first video you're going to see this.
Guys, what can I do? I mean, for the video, I had to do it.
So done with the eye primer. I'm highlighting her brows.
Once I sat in a makeup for 3 hours and only I knew how patient I was. Trust me. I don't have that much of patience, and half of the time my brain is multitasking that I just can't sit at one place.
Yeah, but you have to be patient. Guys, I'm creating a Chris line.
So how do you like do you like to use your fingers more often or your
Yeah, I do actually. The makeup artist from where I have learned. So basically, he's a makeup artist of Bollywood and Pardes, Kal Ho Na Ho. Every 90s movie he has done makeup.
Wow.
So his, the what his way of doing makeup is very different from what is being used currently.
Social media.
Yeah, he has not taught us using brush. This is what I have learned through social medias and through my experience working, because everywhere you cannot use hands.
Yeah.
Everybody does not find that hygienic, and everybody
Yes.
has different issues.
Agreed.
But I have learned makeup doing only by hands, foundations, concealing, everything, even the glitters that we use,
Yeah.
that we put, everything by hand, contouring by hand, highlighting by hand. So the makeup that I have learned is totally using
Different.
hand. It is very different. But using hand for makeup gives more life to the makeup.
No, I did not.
Yeah. Okay. You don't want to put liner, right? Because I'm done with the eyeshadow.
Is it look nice?
Very nice and subtle.
Let me
Because I don't like too much
Oh
colors.
my god. Guys, it's looking beautiful.
See, I don't like colorful eyeshadows. This is what I prefer.
Yeah, my lash did come off. But it looks so pretty. Wow. Thank you.
Thanks to you for praising me.
So thanks, Maneem. Thank you so much for coming to our show.
Thank you so much for calling me. It was very fun, and trust me, guys, it was the first time I'm ever filming a video with somebody, and this girl has made me feel so comfortable and nice. So the second video I'm gonna rock it, I'm telling you guys. So bear this one.
But she's very warm, she's very sweet, and thank you so much for Milan Company for letting us shoot our video here. Thank you so much for.
And thanks for this
Yeah.
amazing food. I mean, trust me, very frankly, it was very yum, and the presentation, the atmosphere, everything was very nice. So thank you.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.